let's be honest. Doing the same task more than a few times is already annoying. Change a name in 3 documents? Fine. Change it in 30? Change it in 3,000? That's when you start really questioning all of your life choices. If you need to update documents at scale, programmatic text editing is your escape hatch. Whether you're automating legal contracts, updating insurance forms, or rolling out a company-wide rebrand, this is the tool that saves your sanity. No more late nights, broken formatting, or dragging files into cloud services that make you wonder where your data is actually going. This keeps everything secure, fast, and in your control. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, how does it all work? Well, you'll need the Apryse Server SDK and the PDF editing add-on from our summer 2025 release. Now, editing PDFs isn't exactly plug and play unless you've got the right SDK. This feature builds on our low-level PDF object model and XLib free-flow tech to maintain visual integrity as you search and replace text. The layout is recalculated dynamically, so your edits look clean and natural. No weird spacing, no broken paragraphs, just clean, smooth, professional results. Let's say your company just changed its name, and all of the documents across every department need to be updated. Or maybe your legal team wants to swap out a clause in every NDA that you've ever issued. Or you're refreshing the branding on thousands of brochures, applications, or onboarding forms. With programmatic editing, you write one script, run it server-side, and boom, done. No manual formatting, no rechecking every single page, no sending sensitive data to third-party services. And here's why it matters. Security. Your data stays in your infrastructure. No cloud uploads, no leaks, no stress. Automation. Integrate your CI/CD workflows and let the scripts do the heavy lifting. And scalability. Process thousands of documents without bottlenecks or burnout. So, if you find yourself needing to change the vendor name in 15,000 contracts, or update addresses across 1,200 application forms, or even fix a typo that somehow made it into every single brochure, well, don't panic. Just write a script, run it server-side, and let Apryse handle the rest. The edits are automatically reflowed, visually clean, and no sensitive data ever leaves your infrastructure. And by the way, Apryse is currently the only platform offering this level of control, accuracy, and layout fidelity for server-side PDF editing. So go ahead, be the hero that your documents deserve. The cape, it's optional. If you want to learn more or try it yourself, join us on Discord or check out the blog.